Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sarah. In this video, we're going to show you how to use SunPatch. This is an acrylic patch, and it has an adhesive that is heat activated and pressure sensitive. So you can use it for repairs on Sattler and Sunbrella marine grade fabrics, and we have a variety of colors that you can select from. Let's show you how it works. This is Sattler marine grade fabric. It's an acrylic fabric, and it works great for Sattler and Sunbrella marine grade fabrics. This is brand new, and I've put a rip in it to personate our problem. The issue with new fabric is that it has a coating on it. Older fabrics will not, but I believe it's still going to stick phenomenally even with the coating on it that prevents dirt and so forth. So I'm going to make a patch that is at least 1 inch bigger all around, and you can just cut this with scissors, and then to prevent the edges from peeling, round the corners. So cut the corners so they're nicely rounded.
After cutting it with scissors, you may want to use a hot knife to help seal the edge of the acrylic fabric, and we do this after it's been cut. We just touch the edges with an R blade. It is true that the heat-sensitive adhesive on the backside will help prevent the acrylic from unraveling, but this is just a precautionary step.
On the SunPatch, the warp of the fabric goes along the running length of this, just like it would with a regular fabric. So if you want to match the weave, you want to try to match the warp with the repair. And our warp is going this way. So it goes on like this. Now, it doesn't have to, but it'll look better. So with our iron, at around 220 is the silk setting. So that's what we set it to, and the warp of the fabric goes like this. So I'm going to peel the patch completely off because it can be repositioned until it's been heated.
It is a heat-activated adhesive.
And it can be put on both sides or one side. Okay, we're happy with the placement, and then we just take our iron. Now you do this for 1 minute if there's a patch only on one side. So go over your patch for approximately 1 minute. Now if it's on the other side as well, do 30 seconds on this side approximately, and then 30 seconds on the other side of the patch if it's a 2-patch system. Okay, that's been about a minute. Now it's also a pressure heat sensitive patch. So press on it either with a roller, or if you don't have that, just be sure to apply pressure with your hands or with the iron really hard while you're doing it. And now we don't want to necessarily do anything with it for 24 hours. It needs to cure completely before we do our testing to see how well it sticks. If you don't have a solid surface, you can use a heat gun too and heat it up to approximately 220 for about a minute, or 30 seconds on each side if there's a dual patch on one side and the other.
It is highly recommended to apply pressure after heating it, either with a roller or by hand.
Our SunPatch has been on the fabric for more than 72 hours, and this is a brand new canvas piece. So it has the original coating from the manufacturer. Older pieces would stick even better, but we didn't do anything with the coating, so it's still on here. And I'm going to try to peel it up with my fingers here. I can just get an edge going, as you can see, but can I get it off easily? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm pulling like crazy, and it is hardly coming up at all. I would say that is a very, very good patch. Wow.
Keep a roll of SunPatch around for your next repair. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sayrite, thanks for watching.